Thinking of tapping your home equity to fund your life goals? Hold up. Before you turn your house into an ATM, ask yourself, is this a power move or a pricey mistake waiting to happen? David Kimball, CEO of Prosper Marketplace, shares 3 crucial questions every homeowner must ask before dipping into their home equity. Question 1. Do you need a lump sum or flexible access? As Kimball explains, a HELoan gives you a lump sum upfront, typically with a fixed interest rate and monthly payments. A HELoc is a revolving line of credit. If you know your costs, like a $50,000 kitchen renovation, HELoan's fixed payments are your friend. Uncertain costs? A HELoc gives you wiggle room. Question 2. What's your repayment plan, and can you afford it long-term? Kimball warns that though it's easy to focus on the benefits of accessing cash, it's crucial to remember that your home is the collateral. HELoans offer predictable payments. HELocs, not so much, especially when the draw period ends and your payments suddenly balloon. Yikes. Question 3. Are you borrowing with purpose or just because you can? Kimball reminds us that home equity isn't free money. Used impulsively, it can add unnecessary risks. Smart uses, home upgrades, education, consolidating high-interest debt. Risky ones, vacays and vanity upgrades you can't really afford. Bottom line, your home's equity can help you level up, but only if you borrow with purpose, prep for repayment, and pick the right tool for the job. Got a money question? Head to GoBankingRates.com and ask away for a chance to win $500. Plus, your question could be answered by a top financial expert.